Experiencing SIM not recognized or no service on your consumer cellular phone. These issues often involve your SIM card, PUK, or provisioning. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and clean. Restart your device. If you've entered the wrong PIN 3 times, you'll need your PUK code to unlock the SIM. Find this via the Consumer Cellular app, website, or by calling 1-888-345-5509. Provisioning problems occur when your SIM isn't correctly activated on the network. Try using the Consumer Cellular app for self-provisioning or contact their support for over-the-air assistance. These steps resolve the majority of common SIM issues. If basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset after backing up your data might help. Also, consider that unlocked phones may not be fully compatible with Consumer Cellular. The future involves eSIMs, embedded SIMs that allow remote provisioning without physical cards. Consumer Cellular is piloting this technology. Consumer Cellular has introduced an AI-powered chatbot in their app to assist with SIM PK unlocks and provisioning resets, significantly reducing wait times. If you are still having problems, consider the age of your device or if it is fully compatible with the Verizon network. Also consider that in rural areas, you may have outdated infrastructure for your device to connect to.